Everybody, this is Brian back with a MATIC token update, and this is MATIC on the daily chart, and we're going to dig into this a little bit deeper here. Tomorrow is the big day for the United States. We have the inflation numbers coming out, which is going to have a huge impact on the market one way or the other. We're hoping for lower numbers than expected, or at least the numbers that are expected, and I think everybody believes it's kind of it's what it is. I guess you could say, the markets are going to fly if that turns out to be the case. So I'm going to be on that thing tomorrow, and I'm probably going to wait a couple hours till after it's announced before I do any videos. But tomorrow could be a really big day. That could be the catalyst that sets this bull leg up that I believe we're in. I don't believe we're in a bull market quite yet, but I believe we're in a bull mode right now, a bullish mode. So let's I got a couple of great articles here for you first, and then we'll dig into this chart a little bit deeper and where I think we're heading here, short term and long term. But Polygon set to overtake Cardano in market cap with Kovo launch on Uniswap. It says here, the future of DeFi on Polygon looks bright, with many new projects and investors flocking to the network. The low fees and fast transaction times offered by Polygon make it an attractive alternative to Cardano. As more users and projects migrate to Polygon, the network will likely continue to grow and attract more attention from the broader crypto markets. And I cover Cardano also. Speaking of, I'm going to give away 100 ADA the very last day of the month to a subscriber, so please hit that subscribe button. That's all you have to do to enter. Got a great group of people in here. We really do. I'm not just saying that. We really do, and we would love to have you along. So please hit that button. We cover 10 to 15 cryptos, because not everybody holds one cryptocurrency. The reality is most people hold 6, 12, 20, 30 different cryptos. I don't know. I don't like to talk about me, but I think I held like 30 at one time during the last bull run. So everybody bounces around to different coins and stuff, so I like to cover a few of them. But just hit that subscribe button and you're entered. We're going to do a giveaway the last day of every month, so would love to have you here. And speaking of Cardano, that's what I was getting to, my point. There's 1,200 projects building on Cardano now. It's not like Cardano is dead at any means. So them saying, about Polygon, many new projects flocking to the network, that's big. They got to be talking about pretty big numbers to overtake that. So that's good. That's great news. It says Kovo, the leading DeFi token in the Polygon ecosystem, is rising. Kovo is the utility tokens of Kovo Finance, a decentralized exchange built on the Polygon network, which has surged by over 65% in the past weeks on Uniswap version 3, which is on Polygon. Kovo Finance offers DeFi traders and investors fast and low-fee trading solutions with up to 50x leverage. Now, if you have never used leverage before, please read up on it and do your homework before you do, because if you go messing around with 50x leverage, you can lose your money in minutes or seconds, or you can lose it very fast. So leverage can be a very good thing, and it can be a very bad thing. There's some places out there that offer, I've seen up to 100x leverage. So just be responsible with it, and I'm not saying anything bad about it. It can be a really great thing. Just be responsible, please. Please do your homework. That's all I ask. I don't want to see you go lose your money. But it says here, making it a popular choice among those looking to maximize profits while minimizing risks. So that 50x leverage, what that means is, like, every dollar you invest, you can with 50x leverage, that'll give you $50 to wager, basically. So that you can see how fast you could lose it. For every $100, you have 5,000 in trading so you can lose it quickly. One of the significant advantages of Kovo Finance is that stakers of Kovo tokens are rewarded in 3 ways. Firstly, they receive 30% of all generated protocol fees, which that's pretty cool, paid in MATIC and escrowed Kovo tokens, which can be either staked or vested. Rewards incentivize users to hold Kovo tokens, which helps to increase the token's value over time. The value of the Kovo token is expected to continue to rise as Polygon attracts more users to its network, making it an excellent opportunity for those looking to capitalize on the growth of Polygon crypto, MATIC crypto. Yeah, nice article, but I'm not going to read the whole thing because it is a very, very lengthy article there. If you want to go over it and read it yourself, great article written on Coinpedia. But so there's that. Here's your crypto bubbles. Your green are your ones that are obviously positive for the day, and your red are the ones that are down. XRP is just tearing it up today. Don't know what's going on there with that, but I don't know. I did an XRP video a little bit ago. Seems that possibly that lawsuit could be coming to an end pretty soon. Do the big guys out there know something we don't? I don't know. We'll find out, that's for sure. The Crypto Fear and Greed Index, and getting back to that, just a point on that. If they come out and say XRP is a security, that could be very, so please root for XRP too, because we don't want that to come out as a security, because then that means that every single crypto in the cryptocurrency, in the crypto industry, could be looked at as a security, and they're going to break each one of these down one at a time, and it could turn out being really ugly. So it's going to be a huge day for all of crypto when this is announced. So root for XRP. I know some people don't like it. Some people feel the way they feel, but you gotta root for this outcome to be in our favor. So the market cap is up almost 2% at $1,229 billion. Look at the volume over 24 hours, up 47%. Maybe people buying the dip. Bitcoin dominance is up 0.07%. We are at a 68 in greed. Yesterday we were at a 66, and last week we were at a 50. But that's the market sentiment. Here's your biggest gainers and losers from CoinMarketCap. You can see, of course, XRP at the top there. About 8 o'clock this morning, that thing started ripping. I dug into that chart, and that's about the time it started really tearing. But we have Bitcoin, the #1 trending coin over there. And I'm not trying to make this an XRP video. I apologize. I just know how much it means to the crypto market that this comes out in our favor. All right, let's dig into this MATIC. All right, we're gonna break it down to the 4-hour here and get a look here at this and see what's going on here. Okay, now in the I don't know, the midterm here, I expect there to be a 5 wave here coming up, and I'm going to show you, because in here we had 5 waves coming up, and this is building a really prominent thing here. Okay, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, we have 5 there. We have a correction down. We have 5 here. Okay, and after that 5th we should have a correction, and then another wave with 5 waves in it, which is going to make this whole thing a big 5-wave Elliot wave up. I'm going to change the color of this so this is a little bit more prominent. That 3 should be our longest one, and 5. Let's change that to white so this sticks out more. Okay, so it's more understandable. And let me make sure I have that 3 where it should be. Should be at the 1618 on a fib. I want to get that perfect. Or 2.618, I apologize. Yeah, right there. I'm pretty close. 4, whoops. 4. Yeah, it's hard to say where that 5, but something like this is what I'm expecting. Okay, and then there's going to be up here, there'll be another 2, 3, 4, 5, and inside of that is what we're going to be looking for. Okay, it's going to look something like this, and then there'll be a ABC correction up top there. But that's what I'm looking for, and nothing has invalidated this at all. Like tomorrow with this news coming out for the inflation, that could be the catalyst that gets this thing ripping, you know, or it could do the opposite. So I'm going to be on that tomorrow. I'm going to be paying super close attention to what's going on here. And the only thing that would invalidate this wave one is if we take out this low right here. So until we take that out, this thing is totally valid, and this thing can come down 99% and still be a valid wave. Okay, so it can come way down here and then, you know, up. But that's what I believe. This is not financial advice at all, so please don't take it like that. But what's been going on here in the short, you know, if we really zoom in on this thing, the 4 hour, we've been getting rejected off that, you know, let's dig in here a little bit deeper. Yeah, that 618, we got rejected twice now. You know, we came up here, got knocked that back. We came up again and got knocked back, you know. So I'm expecting it to get out of there and get on our way here. I believe the whole crypto market, I still have this price target up here for us to hit that we haven't hit yet. And I cover, like I said, I cover 10 to 15 different cryptos, and almost every single one of them have hit the price targets up here. And they're not like I'm a fortune teller at all. Most bounces, when you have a bounce in crypto, you know, most of the time, almost all the time, it's either going to come up, you know, I should have probably pulled this down a little bit. The 618 to the 702, 786, up in this area is where you're going to get your bounce, okay? It's either going to come up to that area and either get through it or get rejected. And a lot of times, you know, it'll get up to that 702. That's your tell-all area. You know, if you get through there and that 786, you're on your way. And then, you know, then you got higher extensions up here on the fib you're looking for prices at. So I believe we're going to get through that thing. The 4 hour RSI is still on its way up, so we still have some upside, I believe. The 1 hour, let's get a look at it. If we zoom in on this 1 hour, you can see that thing is starting to curve back up. See this curve here? So that RSI on the 1 is starting to curve back up there. Let's see where it's at in the daily. The daily RSI is starting to do the same thing. It's starting to curve. You see that? You see that move, that curve starting on here? So that could be heading back up, and we could have some upwards movement here, and going into tomorrow to the, you know, inflation meeting. So I'm going to keep a tight eye on this thing, and thank you so much. Please hit that subscribe button. We would love to have you here every day. And thank you so very much, guys, for watching my video. It really means a lot. It really does. Keeps me doing this every day. So have a great night. I'll see you tomorrow.